Hi Glamour and Sugaries, it's me Cherry. Welcome to another episode. And what are we making today? Something amazing, something from overseas. Japanese souffle pancakes. Check these out. Look how thick they are. This one's like 1.75 inches thick. Yeah, you're gonna wanna make these. These are vanilla and these are chocolatey chocolate. Oh my gosh, I made the 3 bears in chocolate right here. I am adapting this recipe from Le Crème de la Crème. I hope I said that right. Alyssa, what do you think? B?
Pretty good.
B. Okay, I get a B. I'll put the link down below so that you can follow that. But I did make a few modifications, so make sure to visit my blog. These are pancakes you've never had before. What's different about this, you may ask? Japanese souffle pancakes, they have a secret weapon inside. So they are just like American pancakes. They have a lot of the same ingredients, but the egg whites are the showstopper in this case. We're gonna whip them up into a beautiful meringue, quickly fold that in, and that's gonna give this lift, and it's gonna look like a souffle. I'm not gonna waste any time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that thumbs up to like my video and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for me so you know when I come out with a new video. Let's get into the equipment you need. These are called ring molds. I have a heart and a teddy bear, courtesy of my wonderful sister-in-law, Agnes. Thank you so much for bringing these for me from Japan. They are 1.75 inches across. If you can see that, it's pretty wide, and that will support the fluffy duffy pancake that we are going to make. Now, if you see this kind, which is really cool too, but only for flat pancakes, don't get this for our souffles. It's only about 1/2 inch across. It's not gonna hold up to the pancakes we wanna make. I'll put a link down below for some of the ring molds you can get on Amazon. They might not be exactly like mine, but you can get some really cool ones. You're gonna need a bowl because we're going into the dry ingredients. You need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. That goes in there. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon of salt, depending on how salty you want it. And just give that a little whisk here. Wet ingredients time. You need 1.25 cup of milk. We're gonna put it in this bowl right here. You're gonna need 4 tablespoons of melted butter that's slightly cooled. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla or almond or whatever kind of extract you want. And 1 large egg. Eggie, go in there, Eggie. There we go. Now, you're gonna mix that around. And don't make a mess like I am. Just kidding. Well, I'm the chef, so I get to make all the mess I want, right? Since I gotta clean it up myself anyway. That's only fair. I make the food, I make the mess. Shh. Don't tell anybody who's not making this recipe. Just kidding. This is a secret weapon. The egg whites. You're gonna need 3 egg whites and 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, because this will help it whip up and stabilize. You're gonna put that right into either a bowl and use a hand blender, or like me, I like to use my stand mixer. So we're gonna turn this on and whip it on high. Watch me whip it. Ah, here I am. You need stiff peaks. It's already starting to form bubbles. So there it goes. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes to whip up to that perfect meringue level. How do you tell if this is stiff peaks? Well, look, you dip your whisk in there and you let it come up, and look at that. Does that look stiff to you? It's fallen right over, so that peak fell over. So that's called like a medium peak. We have to whip it a little bit more. Oh, I think we're almost there. We gotta check it. Why do we have to check it? Because we don't want to over whip it. Because you can dry out your egg whites if you over whip, believe it or not. So here we go. Swirly. And there we go. It's stiff. It didn't move, see? All right, we're there. We are gonna start mixing things together. First, I want to know if you're ready. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you? I am. So let's start. We're gonna pour these wet ingredients right into the dry. And this is gonna be so easy and delicious that you're gonna wanna make this for your family and they're gonna request it from you, babe. So mix it together. It's okay if it has lumps. You're just gonna mix it until it's just right there. How many seconds is that? That's it. Easy, right? Guess what? We gotta add that secret ingredient and it's right here. These are the egg whites, the meringue. We're just gonna drop that in. Can you see? Look at that beauteousness. Beautiful. And then what we are going to do with egg whites is when you put egg whites in any recipe, you're gonna wanna fold it in. Look how gently you have to fold it. Do you want those egg whites to incorporate into the batter? You just don't want them to fully deflate. We're almost there. It kind of looks like melted marshmallows right now. Can you see that? Don't bother me, Mom. I'm eating my melted marshmallows. Don't forget to preheat your pan. It does take a little while to heat it up, so get a nice big pan that has a lid and hopefully a clear lid because you want to see what you're doing. Turn it on and look how low I'm keeping it. That's pretty low. It's not low medium. That would be right in between here. It's actually kind of low. And we need it that way because we don't want it to burn. If you burn your pancakes, you're not going to have very happy children. This batter makes 7 to 8 pancakes, souffle style, baby. I was gonna say waffles. We're not making waffles in this episode, but you can check out my mochi waffle episode where I make bubble waffles. Anyways, we are going to turn a little of these into chocolate. So I'll take my half cup scooper and just scoop about 3 portions. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Yeah, actually let's do 1.5 and see how we do there. Gently mix, and that's it, babe. Maravilloso. I'm a tin man, I have no heart. No, I'm just kidding, I have the souffle heart. We're gonna start making the souffle pancakes. What do? Get your flat bottom pan. It's already a little bit hot from our preheating. And we're gonna generously spray it with butter. Spray, and then we're gonna generously spray these molds. Make sure you have enough spray. Come on, spray, come out. There we go. All right, now we're gonna put the vanilla in the heart and we're gonna fill it to just that halfway line. Try not to go past that because we don't wanna have raw pancakes in the middle of them when they are cooking. Undercooked pancakes no taste so good. Well, sometimes they do, but not for our purposes. Teddy bear gets brown because teddy bears are brown. And we're gonna pour half in there. And then, lovely. Now, we're gonna take a little water and drizzle it on the side. Be careful because this could splash at you a little bit. Yeah, watch for the splash. We're just adding a little bit of water around the sides there to create some steam to cook the middle of the pancake. Now we set our timer to 5 minutes. And then we come back and check on this deliciousness to flip it over. Time to unveil these souffle pancakes. Be careful, this is very, very hot. Best way I've found to do it is kind of get this underneath. Use a fork as your fingers Do not use your hands, it's very hot. We're gonna gently try to flip this over. There we go. And then we're gonna do the same with the bear. It's a little tricky, so just be careful. Come on, Forky. There we go. Now, 2 more minutes on this side. All right, let's see what we got here. Again, put that Forky in there. Help you get it out. Oh, sometimes it slides right off. That's okay. We'll just put it over there and gently get our spatula underneath there and put him right next to his buddy. We're gonna have the 3 little bears. Let's see if that one goes on there well. Yes, it's going. Oh, you gotta be careful though. There we go. All right, let those cool and we'll work on the next batch.
My gosh, I can't believe how beautiful these turned out. I have exactly 7 of these gorgeous, fluffy souffle pancakes. You have to come up close to this to see and appreciate how fluffy and soft these are. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get in. But look, this one turned out the best. I think it's because I filled it a little bit more than halfway. And look how fluffy that is. Crazy. I'm not kidding. I cannot wait to bite into this fluffiness. I'm sorry, Fluffy. You are going. Hey, instead of eating Mama Bear, Papa Bear, and Baby Bear's porridge, I'm gonna have to eat them. And look at this. Look at the heftiness of this one. I'm serious. Like if you overfill it just a little bit, you may have to cook it just a little longer, slightly longer, but look at that. I'm not kidding. Look at that fluffiness. These are awesome.
You guys who have been watching me know my relationship with powdered sugar, right? I'm gonna pour it over my head. No, not today. It's gonna go over the bear's head. Check this out. Ready to go crazy with the chocolate? I am, let's do it! Woo! Oh my gosh. There are no words for this gorgeousness. Is it like my birthday or like Valentine's Day or something? Because this looks phenomenal. Who wants to come to my house?
Me.
You're already here. Woo! Oh my gosh, look at that. Bye bye. Right in my mouth, yes.
I am going to attempt, like that guy who eats everything, to drink this whole maple syrup. No, the bears are gonna drink it today. Here we go, babe. Ooh. Oh. That's pretty beautiful.
I'm gonna try it. Look at the butter, it's melting. Oh my gosh. Oh, you gotta see the inside. Look, whoa. Oh, it's falling apart. It's so moist. Okay, I'm gonna stop eating so I can tell you what I think. Nah, forget it. I'm gonna keep eating. It's so good. No, seriously, you have to try these. They are amazing. So moist, fluffy, unlike any pancakes you've ever eaten. I know you want me to try this. I know you do. Look at me. Look at when I put my fork in it. Look at when I tear it away. Oh, I hope it's not too hot for me to eat. Look at the smoke coming from it. That was perfect. Oh, thank you. Amazing. I've run out of words. Send me new words. There are no words for this deliciousness. You just have to try the recipe. Really good. What can I say, guys? Thank you so much for joining me today. I had a tremendously marvelous time making these delicious little goodies, and I hope you get to try these at home. Yeah, you want to come over, huh? I knew it. Be sure and hit that thumbs up down below to like my video and subscribe for me, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Where did you go? I'm over here. Probably it will taste like a barbecue instead of a souffle pancake. So I don't recommend burning anything.
I can't stand it. Why won't you let me eat my souffle pancakes?
Boop, boop, beep, beep, boop, beep.